How to make a notebook cover, lowest production value video ever. My name's Stuart. So we're going to start with our notebook. Here's a cover I've already made. We're going to use that for reference. So for the notebook, first thing we need to do is figure out the sizes. So the height of the notebook is scraps of leather running around. Height of the notebook's 8.5 inches, so we're going to make the cover somewhere around 9.5 tall, depending on how confident you are in your seam allowances and your sewing. In terms of the length, I'm going to start it at 1 here. So we're going to have to knock that off. I roll the book just like that. It comes out to 13, which means it's a minimum of 12, because we're knocking off that 1 because I started light. So we're going to have to make it at least 13 inches wide. You might want to make it a little wider because that allows for some more flex in the spine if you choose. This one, I believe, again, I'm going to start it at the 1, is, yeah, so it's 13 3/4. So however you want to do that. You're going to cut these interior pieces. Mine are 3 inches wide. But again, you can make them a little longer. It doesn't matter if they come back to here. And you're going to figure out your closure system. I just used the 2 loops to slide a pen through. And then once you've cut all those pieces, you're going to tool them, antique them, stamp them, dye them, whatever you want to do. Stitch those inside pieces in, as seen here. And then your snazzy little notebook is the notebook I use for all of my, actually all of my leatherworking notes. Just slide in like that. And then obviously in the back cover too, closes, slide a pen through, and done. So hopefully that answers some questions. If it doesn't, feel free to ask. I'm in the middle of moving, hence why there's mayhem around here. This is my leatherworking studio at the moment. Look, shelves. My pride and joy, my Adler, and my bins of stuff. All right. Hopefully that helped. Feel free to ask questions if it didn't.